Using DWG Units to show the broken line type. Create a layer for a broken line. Change color for visibility. Choose your desired broken line type. And click OK. Test your created broken line type layer. If the broken line did not show, well, we're not done yet. Proceed to the next step. Type DWG Units. Choose millimeters for our scale, click number 3. Click Enter until the command is close. Select your own scale based on your drawing. Type line to activate your layer line. Continue with other scales.
Sana all! Nasusundan niyo pa din ako? Now it's done.